Give me a second, I gotta do something.
Yo, Cougar, you bitch, where'd you go?
You are eating on my food.
Hey, Buffy. All right, listen, I'm 10-6 for...
Hello out there, Pistol Grip. Hello out there, Pistol Grip. What's going on? 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
069, the Big Apple.
Damn, man, I was just about to step out this room too, Beavis. Hey, Beavis, I made a couple of adjustments on this thing, man, so I hope you got that thing rolling, Beavis. I got that.
Yeah, I got a video gate rolling, and you're all by yourself. You're loud and proud down here in the Big Ten this evening there, Pistol Grip. I've been listening to your talk show for about 30 minutes. I finally had to reach over here and key this duck plucker up and say hello to you, man.
Hey, I'm in the 14-minute zone. And if you say you've been listening to me for 30 minutes, I guess my adjustments paid off. Hey, Beavis, I'm in the 14-minute zone of my new video gate, and I'm going to sit back quiet and let you get some gate time. Hey, Beavis, the hole in the wall. Now Brooklyn, back out.
Roger, Pistol Grip. Well, you're sounding real good down here in Tennessee. I can't believe there ain't more on the channel than what there is, but at least 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes, man. Yeah, I've been listening to you talk forever. I had some company here, and I didn't have time to key up, and finally got over here to the microphone.
Well, God bless you in that company. Stay safe, stay healthy. The hole in the wall. Now Brooklyn. That lowest IMAX of the heart of the apple got down.
Roger, right back to you, buddy. Same to you. You sounded real good down here in Tennessee. Good evening time, everybody on the band. Hope you're having a good one. From 018 Tennessee Beavis, down here Donkey Stomper with the evening time wave.
Hello, around Tennessee. One in the Mobile, downtown Rhode Island, waving.
Hello, number one in the Mobile, Rhode Island. Hello, number one in the Mobile and Rhode Island. You're sounding real good in Tennessee, man. 018 Beavis down here in 10 at Donkey Stomper waving.
Beavis, I heard you natives had a doorway.
441 calling Tennessee, hello. 441 New Jersey calling Tennessee, hello.
Hello, 441 New Jersey. Hello, 441 New Jersey. You're sounding real good down here in 10, man. Appreciate you hollering. 018 Beavis down here in Tennessee at Donkey Stomper with the wave. Well, Mother Nature's doing some weird stuff. It's kind of quiet out here, really. To have such good conditions for Pistol Grip, it's kind of quiet everywhere else. Getting some new ones in here we don't usually hear because it's so quiet. 018 Tennessee Beavis down here, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
We're going to try it out here at Tennessee Beavis. We're going to try it, 976, Mr. Moose on the loose, northeast corner, Massachusetts with the wave.
Hello, 976 Moose on the loose. Yeah, I've been listening to your talk show too, man. Hey, 976, I heard you in there earlier too, man. You sounded real good, Moose on the loose. 018 Tennessee Beavis waving. Hello, Bootlegger, my friend over to the east. I'm not pointed at you, but hello, Bootlegger in Tennessee. 018 Beavis with the wave.
All right there, Tennessee Beavis, 976. Are we on that video gate up there? Come on.
Yes, sir, Moose on the loose. I got you on a video gate all by yourself. Moose on the loose. I got you on a video gate all by yourself here in the Big Ten.
All right, man. Sound of Bodacious over here in my red zone. 976, Mr. Moose acknowledges the wave. Thank you mighty kindly, man. 73s, God bless. We're back up.
All right, 976, you and the family have a good one. Stay healthy that way. Go for it in 10, 018 Beavis down here. Donkey Stomper rolling a video gate, listening in.
Hey, Donkey Stomper, can you copy this New Jersey Mobile? Hey, Donkey Stomper, can you copy this New Jersey Mobile?
Well, you got that audio so close to perfection, ain't even funny.
I heard you. Appreciate it, Pistol Grip. I heard you, New Jersey Mobile. I didn't catch your numbers, but New Jersey Mobile, you're sounding good in Tennessee. 018 Beavis with the wave. Yeah, I've been trying to get it straightened out, Pistol Grip.
Hey, man, the way I hear it, I think it's just a little tiny skosh less input going into that mic jack, man, but that thing sounds beautiful.
Yeah, I'm for it. That's a good deal. I can back it down just a little right there. Maybe that'll help a little bit. That's a good deal, Pistol Grip. I've got a lot of fan noise, and it's hard to run this big box and, you know, all this hi-fi equipment, too. But I think we're getting it down where it works pretty decent there. I think we just lost Mother Nature on you there, Pistol Grip. Sounds like she dropped out, buddy, but if we lost it, we'll holler at you next round. 018 Tennessee Beavis listening in.
Yeah, she knows. Tennessee Beavis. Right in Connecticut.
Hello up there around Connecticut. Hello up there around Connecticut. You're sounding real good in Tennessee. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Yeah, well, I think we heard two of you. We heard the Blue Ridge coming back. Yeah, you sound loud and proud out here top side of Connecticut. Hot road.
76 around Cranberry Country, Massachusetts. Mr. Moose, waving. Break.
Still sounding good there in 10, Moose on the loose. Heard that hand in Connecticut too. You're both sounding good in Tennessee. 018 Beavis with the wave.
Roger. Thank you very much there.
Appreciate the win,
Here's the Northeast corner, man. Always a pleasure getting on that gate.
Right in Connecticut. Back listening.
Here, boy, Moose on the loose. Sounding good. I think it was Hot Rod in Connecticut. Hot Rod in Connecticut, you're sounding good too, man. Appreciate you hollering. 018 Beavis with the wave.
Yeah, it's a Roger. All right, you take care, Beavis. We'll do it again soon. Enjoy the rest of the week. Hot Rod, top side of Connecticut. Back listening.
All right, Hot Rod got you on a video gate as well. Sounding good in 10. 018 Tennessee Beavis sitting here rolling the gate, listening in.
Joe, appreciate the gate. Yeah, I wish I had a gate out here in Connecticut.
Mother Nature's doing some weird stuff up here in 10 today. It gets loud 1 minute, everybody's in there wide open, then it gets real quiet.
I'll tell you what, you're real loud up here in the northeast corner. Mr. Moose on the loose.
Because we're getting all the hot sun out here on top of Connecticut.
10-4 Moose on the loose and Hot Rod and got you both. Yeah, she's doing some weird stuff, like just 1 or 2 people's coming in at a time. Usually it's a whole room full. Right now it's just 1 or 2 at a time.
Roger.
Hello, Mr. 018. Hello, Mr. Tennessee Beavis. So Crush, waving a hand.
Hello, 148 Crush. Good evening time, Mr. 148. Sounding real good in Tennessee this evening. We're waving.
Appreciate it. Sounding real good yourself, man. Got that beautiful audio going there. A little bit of echo.
There's going trying to get back to Mr. Moose. 713 of Virginia.
148 evening time wave around Tennessee.
976, Mr. Moose on the loose, Massachusetts, stand by.
Waving.
All right, 148 sounding real good. Old Moose on the loose. I heard you in there too. But 148 sounding good in 10, man. 018 Beavis gonna roll this gate a few more minutes to who comes in here.
I appreciate it. We're waving right back. Have a good evening there, Beavis. Sounding good. And 714 in Virginia, waving to you too, my friend. Sounding good. Evening time to the band. Pistol Nipples. Everybody.
018, Tennessee Beavis. Up here in the Strawberry Patch in the northeast corner. 976, Mr. Moose. Waving.
Nipples.
04. Moose, you're sounding good. And I heard my buddy, Pistol Nipples, Crash said hello, Pistol Nipples.
She gets a kick out of that. Hey, Mr. 127, Pistol Nipples. That's my buddy out there in Brooklyn, New York. The lowest IMAX. And the king of the stock mic, I think he said. Stock mic king. Sounding good, Richie, with the wave. Alright, there's 714 in Virginia. You too, man. Sounding good up in the Big Apple.
coming in to say hello. Gonna get out the middle of the road. Old Crush, back quiet. Real good copy. I was sorry. I was calling you 713. 713. 713 in Virginia. Silent choice, my friend. Evening time to you and yours. Stay safe. Crush. 148 New York Wave. Bye, bye, bye.
Oh, the lowest IMAX in the heart of New York. The sound king got down.
302. Oh, Mongoose 302 around Massachusetts. Mongoose 302. Look at you.
I said I was gonna book this.
Let's jump up in there going, hello, radio. That's my man, Pistol Nipples. He's got them pointy nipples. He's pointing them nipples down south. I'm back quiet.
What happened?
Yeah. He's a good guy. He's about 12 to 15 miles south of me up here in the Big Apple. I'm up here in the Boogie Down Bronx, and I think he's in Brooklyn. Yeah, right across the Long Island Sound. Check. All right, 713, Silent Choice. Old Crush with the evening wave. Bye.
I guess Boston's got no conditions in DX land. 383, stroke up motor, and I'll see ya.
Hello, 383, Stroker Motor in Boston. Hello, 383, Stroker Motor in Boston. Sounded real good in Tennessee. 018 Boost down here, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Hello there, Donkey Stomper. You sound choice up here in New England, no doubt about it. 383, stroke a motor.
All right, 383, sounding real good in 10, man. I got you on a video gate. We're just sitting there listening in, rolling the video gate, letting the video gate do what it does. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
What the hell is that?
302 with that wave.
10 for my video gate.
That about it. From your friend on this end. 383.
The gate's rolling, and the gate is rolling. Oh yeah, Donkey Stomper. Nothing but a big old Donkey Stomper.
127 with a pistol nipple crush.
Oh boy, Pistol Nipple, you and Crush, Pistol Nipple, Pistol Grip, you and Crush went toe to toe that time. Pistol Nipple shit.
Yeah, man. He's that pistol. He earned
Great condition.
Virginia 148 way.
Oh, pistol nipples. Hey, Mountain Man, you sounding real good on my new video game. Mountain Man, I'm gone.
Boy, still sounding good in Tennessee too.
Yeah, you both sound really good up here in Massachusetts. I'll step on the side, let other people talk. I just heard you in there. Why don't you shake your hand? 208 Massachusetts.
I love it. You're like my local neighbors up here in the northeast corner.
Hey, Mongoose, I ain't playing today, Mongoose.
Old one. Enjoying the mail.
Hey, Mongoose. Oh, yo, the sound. Mongoose sound king. We'll come back out.
You better watch out for old Pistol Nipples out there.
That's right, he sounds just like my neighbor.
10-4 Bootlegger, you must have something turned on because I'm hearing you on my beam. I usually don't hear you on my beam.
I'm talking on this donkey Stomper right here. It sound right, because I ain't got no radio check. I ain't had time. I've got a straight mic on it right now, though. Is that right down that road?
Yeah, sounds good. I'm on the, like I said, I'm on the flat side. I usually don't hear you at all on the flat side.
10-4 on that. Yeah, it seems to be doing all right.
I'm trying.
on the loose. Shit. Bootlegger, it's working, man. Bootlegger, sounding good in 10. For the distance you are from me. 018 Beavis waving.
I guess I ain't got no condition around here.
018.
Stroke of motor with that midweek wave. 383, you'll see it.
Mr. Moose, one of the most modular.
You're still coming here good, Moose. They got me all tongue-tied and twisted up, talking about pistol nipples this and pistol nipples that. They got me all tickled there, break.
Roger, man. All right, I'll try to keep it short and sweet, man. 976, real
Right back to you, right. No doubt, we don't run no 500s. 383, stroke up motor, and I'll be motoring on. That I had some conditions around yo.
383 sounded real good again there in Tennessee, man, letting you know.
Getting down. Bye, buckshot around Kentucky, Windjammer, bye.
Well, it's getting quiet in there now. I heard them pistol in there for a long time. A few others on, but they got a little quiet now.
Keep your eyes on that buckshot. Windjammer said, I appreciate the flowers, man. Hey, buckshot, Windjammer said, I appreciate the flowers while I work in this 4-field Toyota on the coast of New York. Windjammer, little car.
How much longer that gate gonna go on, man? I want to see my claim to fame up here in the northeast corner. Mr. Moose standing by, 018.
Eyes on that buckshot. Hey, buckshot.
Hey, Moose, it's about 17 minutes. I'm about ready to shut it off any time now. It's almost at 17 minutes right now.
Hey, Roger, 018, man. Clearing it out up here in the northeast corner, sounding bodacious. 976, Mr. Moose, your friend, standing by.
All right, 576, sounding real good. I'll tell you what, I got to get off here and get back busy anyway. So pistol grip, Moose on the loose, 148, 383, shit, whoever else I forgot. Bootlegger, y'all have a good one over there, man. Hope you all take care. If Skip comes back in here, I might get on here a little later. You have a good one. 018 Tennessee. Down here, Donkey Stomper saying I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.
018 Tennessee. Check. All right, Mr. Notice is 018 Beavis. 3 stroke up Donkey Stomper. Take care, Beavis. Appreciate the gates all the time. Take care. Have a good evening. 73's Mr. Beavis. 018 from your friend in the Big Apple trees. 148 Crush. Back wire.